Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use Maps on iPhone. Here are the steps to use Maps on iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Maps app. On the screen, tap the search bar. Type the name of the place, address, or business you want to find to. Select the correct location from the search results. Review the map preview and place details shown below. Tap directions, the car icon, to see how to get there. Choose your travel mode, like driving, walking, transit, cycling, or ride service. Review the different route options displayed on the map. Tap the route you preferred to select it. Tap Go to start navigation. Follow the spoken turn by turn directions and on screen arrows. To view routes, swipe up from the bottom or tap the Details button to see the routes. To stop navigation, tap on Done, then swipe up from the bottom. Tap the End Route button at the bottom of the screen. To explore the map manually, pinch to zoom in or out and drag to move around. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.